prevent debris clogs a spray tip, the sprayer is designed with a reversible spray tip that quickly and easily clears the particles without disassembling the sprayer. To clear the tip clog, turn the prime spray knob down to the prime position to relieve system pressure. Reverse the spray tip to the unclogged position. Set the speed control to the highest available setting. Point the sprayer into a waste pail. Turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position. Pull the trigger for 5 seconds to clear the clog. Turn the prime spray knob downward to the prime position. Rotate the spray tip back to the spray position. Turn the prime spray knob forward to the spray position and resume spraying.